In this video, I show you how to create a animation in Android Studio. A simple bird animation. At the finish of the project, you are able to create animation like this. First, you create a new project. Create new project. Select empty, then click next, then simply write bird animation. Bird animation. Okay. If you give your choice, what is your project name? Okay. Then write package name. Then I use here Java. Then use Java. I use API 21 lollipop. Then click finished. Okay. Simple. After create a new project, open your XML file. In your XML file, you make it relative layout. Your inbuilt, you see constant layout, you create it relative layout. I make it relative layout. Okay. Then make a image view. It is my image view, and give it background, Android background. You give Android background, not src. Mind it. Give Android background, not src. Then I use here 6 bird image. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 5 6. So select all and copy and paste my drawable and place my drawable folder. I already paste here, so I don't paste it again. Okay. Next, here is sky png. Also download a sky background. It is your choice what background you give here. Copy it and paste in drawable folder. Okay. Where is drawable folder? In your research directory. Here is your res. Here is drawable. Right click it and simply paste it. Okay. Then you see here I use background, Android background. Here is my background. Select it and select my bird image. In this video I use 6 bird image position. Simply show here. Bird 1, it wings position here. Bird 2, wings position is difference. 3 difference. 4 difference. You create this bird image in as your choice. I suggest you create your own bird image carefully in same size. Here you see all image size is same. Properties, details, 851 pixel by 500 pixel. Okay. Properties, details, 851 pixel, 500 pixel. My all image size is equal, same, and all images are set in middle of the page, and all images must be png. Must follow it. All images must png. Now it is my activity main XML. Now second, you create a animation list.xml file. You give it your another name etc. But I give it animation list.xml file. Simple drawable, click new, then click drawable resource file. Simple, click here, copy it and Control V, paste it and OK. Okay. Then it is my Android list.xml. Here you see how can I create. Simply write Android list.xml list. First you write item Android drawable b1 Barnong 1. It is my first word. Then you set Android duration 200. If I use here, must carefully it. If I use here 200 instead 400, bird fly slowly. If I increase this duration, bird movement are slow. So choose your choice. I here all select use 200. Here is main point. In drawable folder, create a animation list.xml file. First write item Android drawable, then write Android duration. Here is duration. I said 200. If I select it 2, so bird fly more speed. If I select it 500, bird flying slow. If I increase this duration, bird movement are slow. Okay. Simply here I choose my 6 bird position image, different position image. You see here bird 2 position are difference, but 3 but bird 1, bird 2, bird 3, bird 4, bird 5, bird 6. Okay. Here I set my 6 bird here. Then go to main activity. This is very simple. Simple. Here I click create image view and this image view. So main activity, I write image view, bird image view, and initialize image view into find view by id r.id bird image view. Here my bird image view. Okay. I use this id. I initialize first. Very simple. Then bird image view, set background resource are drawable animation list. Simple. This line is more important. Bird image view. What is my bird image view? Image view, bird image view. I use it here. Bird image view, set background resources like this. Then select your ID here. R.drawable animation list. Then write animation drawable. Not only animation. Where is your animation file? Here in drawable. So right here animation drawable. Give a name bird animation. It is C. If you want write another name here, it is your choice. You only bird enemy, bird fly. It is your choice. Okay. Bird animation equal initialize again bird animation drawable. Where is my folder? Animation drawable bird image view get background. Bird image view get background. Okay. Then write bird animation. Here is this line right here, animation set on shot. On shot means if you want your bird always flying, so write it here. If I click it true, this means bird movement stop, one time animation. If I click it false, bird continue animation. It is for repeat animation. Okay. Then last, bird animation dot start. Your code complete. Then I see. Then I click create. Run my app. You see. Then I run my app. Click here. You see my app is running. Gradle build is running. You see here finally launch success and bird always animate. You see bird animation is successful. If you want to increase this bird speed, so grow animation list, animation bird list, simple decrease this number and your bird speed is increase. If you want to increase this bird speed, you here decrease this number. Okay. If you want to slow this bird movement, simple increase this number. If you decrease this number, bird speed is increase. If you decrease this number, bird speed is increase. Here is my simple code for bird animation.
If this video helpful for you and solve your problem, so like this video and subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, comment me below. I answer your all question. Okay, bye.